Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video guys, I'll be sharing with you how you can use Vaseline, the easiest way you can use Vaseline to treat acne and dark spots like this, and also how you can use it to treat sunburn and clear all the dark spots on your face. Okay, I'll be showing you the easiest way you can use Vaseline to achieve that at home. Okay guys, so without much talk, let's get right into it. So guys, to make this treatment, you will need Vaseline. If you have Blue Seal Vaseline, go ahead and make use of it, or you can use any Vaseline that is a petroleum jelly Vaseline. For me, I'll be using this one. This one is good. This Vaseline is so good. It's not that sticky. Like, it melts in the palm. When you rub it in your palm, it melts easily. So I like this Vaseline a lot. Like I said, as far as it's a petroleum jelly Vaseline, you can make use of it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of the Vaseline into the plate. So Vaseline is the key ingredient here, is the major ingredient which you will definitely need. This one, there is nothing like, can I skip Vaseline if I don't have it? Well, you can skip it. You can use coconut oil or shea butter, but Vaseline works better, okay? So that's it. Go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of Vaseline into the plate. Vaseline is very good to the skin. It helps to lock in moisture to the skin. It helps to protect your skin. It helps to hydrate your skin. Vaseline is good when you apply it on a very sharp skin, like shaft skin. When I mean shaft skin, like very dry, flaky skin. It will help to heal that skin. It will help to lock in moisture on the skin. Vaseline also supports healing and helps the skin to rejuvenate. So the next ingredient you need to add is vitamin E oil. If you don't have vitamin E oil, you can skip this one because some Vaselines contain vitamin E oil. Okay, so if you don't have it, you can skip it. So after that, you go ahead and mix very well. Mix very well. After mixing, the next ingredient you have to add is turmeric. Add about 1 tablespoon of turmeric into the Vaseline. Turmeric is very beneficial to the skin. Turmeric helps to treat acne. It helps to reverse the signs of early aging. It also helps to treat stretch marks. Yes, applying turmeric on your skin can help to reverse so many skin problems. It also helps to reduce dark circles, prevent premature aging, which I've said earlier. It also helps to moisturize the skin. Turmeric has a lot of skin benefits. It also serves as a brightening agent. When you apply it on your skin, it helps to brighten the skin. A lot of cosmetic companies are using turmeric to formulate their skincare product because of its skin brightening benefits. Yes, if you want to lighten your skin, applying turmeric on your skin works a lot. So after mixing it, now it's ready to be used. This treatment is very easy to prepare. That's why you can always prepare it and it's super easy. I will show you how to use this treatment. So guys, we are done preparing the treatment. And how do you use this treatment for maximum effect? See, this treatment, I have it with me here. The simple and easy way you have to make use of it to work for you is to make sure that before you apply this, wash your face with warm water, and it has to be at night. Yes, you can do it in the morning if you're not going out, okay? But if you're going out, do it at night, okay? This treatment, you can use it every day. Yes, you can use it every day. And how do you use it? After washing your face with warm water, go ahead and take it. It will serve as your cream. Yes, it will serve as your face cream, okay? Take small amount of it. Oh, this is big. Just take small amount of it after washing your face. Damp your face. Don't dry your face completely. Just damp it and leave some water on your face, okay? Then rub it on your palm and use it to massage your face. Use it to massage your face. After that, you don't need to wash it out. Yes, you don't need to wash it out. So doing this all the time will help to fade away dark spots. It will help to heal your sunburn. It will help to brighten your face. Because of the turmeric in it, it has a brightening property. It helps to brighten the skin. It helps to, eliminate the signs of premature aging. It will help to diminish the signs of fine lines. It helps to reduce wrinkles. It will help to give you that youthful glow. It will help to fix your skin blemishes. Okay guys, so this is how you can use Vaseline and the turmeric to clear dark spots, acne, and the sunburn. This method is super effective. It's super effective and is very easy to prepare, so you can use it every day. Yes, you can use it every day. Once you finish preparing it, the remaining one, put it in a container, tight container, and cover it. Just leave it in your kitchen counter or anywhere. Make sure you don't leave it in the sun where it's hot. Okay, you can leave it in your cupboard. Then in the evening after washing your face, go ahead and apply it. Like I said, this will help a lot. Use it continuously. It's not something you can use today and leave it for the next day. You can use it every day, but try to make sure you don't apply it in the morning if you're going out, okay? If you're not going out, you can apply it, okay? But mostly use it at night, okay guys? That's it. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye.